Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garnered Guitar. We have a beautiful song here actually from Friday. It's called Without You. So if you watch the music video and watch the lyrics there, I think, yeah, it's about losing someone and how to move on here. So a nice song here from Friday, Without You. Let's take a look at this one. So we have the capo set here on the first fret, alright? So we'll not go over the chords like we usually do to begin with. We're gonna just do it as we go along with this song here. So it's based upon chords and grips, but we'll pick strings from the chords. So that's why we don't need to go over the chords for some strumming or so. It's just a picking pattern song here. So let's start with this A minor. Alright, so you're gonna pick the open A, second D, second G, and first B together. Okay, and then you're gonna kick one extra time on this A minor, but you're just gonna play on the second G and first B. This is the second time. Okay, so 2 times on A minor, but the last time you don't incorporate the bass strings, just the second G and first B together. So slowly it will be first time and then second time. Okay, the next grip or chord will be this. That's based upon a GB chord. So you're gonna play the second A together with open D, open G, and third B. Next chord or grip will be based upon the C chord, and you're gonna play the third A together with open G, first B, and open E. And that's it for the C, and then you're gonna go on to F. And here we're gonna play the shorter version of it, so that means you're gonna play a little bar there on the first fret over the E and the B string. Okay, and then you're gonna add a second G and a third D. You're gonna play that once, most of the time, and after that you have a short pause, as if it would be played for 2 times, but it's not most of the time, so just a pause for the gap there, where you should play the second time, if you imagine that. Okay, but sometimes we play an extra time on F. So in the same way as you play the A minor, you're gonna play 2 times on F, and then the second time when you play it, you just kick the first B and first E. Like that. But like I said, most of the times you don't incorporate the second time of F, you just keep it out of there and have a pause there instead. I'm gonna show you how that works soon when I play through this one round for you. But so far we can say that for F and go on to C. And you're gonna play this C again as you played in the just before the F. You play the third A, open G, first B, and open E together. And then the final grip play you're gonna do is for the G. Play like that. Third E in the bass together with open D, open G, and third B. Like that once. So that ends the round. I'm gonna play through for you the first round here like it's played most of the times with this pause there after the F, and it goes like this. Okay, so you have the F, pause, and then C, G. Okay, but sometimes we have 2 Fs in the same way as you have 2 A minors, and it sounds like this. So just a short difference there with the F. Otherwise, this is how you play from the beginning to the very end, and that pretty much sums it up for Fridays Without You. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and play tuned.